Good evening. It's time once again for the Barry Bird Show. Aloha. On tonight's program, Barry goes high-tech.
Hey everyone, check out the new RoboCam.
Barry interviews Facebook founder Mark Zuckerberg.
Barry, if I friend you, will you friend me?
Look, Marco, we've known each other for what, 5-10 minutes? The future's not in the internet. The future's in TV, baby. Here's what you do. You go out and get yourself a TV set, also known as a television, a TV camera, like mine.
Hi, Barry.
And then you find yourself a bunch of washed-up actors. And boom, you got yourself a TV show.
Okay, Barry, I'll go take the site down today.
Hey, Marco, dig my crazy new radio bot.
Hi, Marco.
Hey, dig my new flying car. Oops, darn it.
Wow, what a great show. We hope you enjoyed your evening with Barry Bird. Please tune in again next week. We have a wonderful show lined up for you. Thanks for tuning in, and good night, everybody.
Sayonara.